Hey, welcome back to CreativeArt. Today I am creating a piece that is very close to my heart. A handmade couple embroidery that tells a soft, beautiful story. Before I beginning, let me tell you something. Art is not just about colors and threads. It's about the emotions we stitch into it. For this design, I am starting with the outline of two people standing together side by side. It may look simple art first, but every line represents a connection, a bond that grows stronger with time. Slowly, I begin feeling the details, the boy's jacket, the girl's hair. Each part takes time, but that's the beautiful thing about handwork. You can feel the love in every slow, careful stitch. Now it's time to add the flora border, roses, leaves, little bounds, each one stitched with bright colors to give the artwork a soft romantic vibe. These flowers don't just decorate the frame, they create a moment where two people stand together, surrounded by beauty as if the universe is celebrating their bond. Every color has meaning. Pink for affection, yellow for happiness, green for growth. Together they made the frame feel alive. Next comes the part I love the most, bringing the design to life with texture. I added layer to the girl's hair so it looks soft and natural. Then I start working on the dress. One fold at a time, create that smooth, silky look that gives the entire piece a 3D effect. When the fabric moves slightly with the frame, it feels like she's really standing there. A gentle touch of realism that turns embroidery into emotions. As I put the last stitch, I take a moment to appreciate the artwork. This isn't just embroidery, it's a handmade memory. People often say, why spend so much time on something so small? But that's the magic of handmade things. When you gift someone a piece like this, you are not giving them fabric and thread. You are giving them time, love, and effort. Over the couple's head, you can add both of your name and anniversary date also. If you add these things, so it will be more attractive for your special one. If you are searching best gift for that special one, if you want to gift something like this, I think it will be best for your partner. So, why are you waiting for? Just make it and gift it and make a beautiful moment together. So, if you enjoy watching this beautiful creation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Creative Art. I have many more handmade ideas coming soon, and I can't wait to share them with you. Thank you for watching and keep creating little pieces of happiness.